Hey, what's up guys? So if you're installing the window new, I am using a flash drive. Okay, so if you're installing the window new, you got to do a few steps before you get there. So I'm gonna show you the step that I took and I got an error, so I had to fix that problem. So once it starts up, it's running the flash drive. You know, now computers don't have the CD-ROM. Okay, it gets to this part right here. You're gonna hit accept. Okay, so I'm gonna go in custom because it does not have a window, so you can see everything here. Now the problem that I'm getting is that my primary, which is this one, I have a 250 in there. I can't install it. It says right here, window cannot install. I hit show detail and it says that it's GPT partition only. So you gotta turn into the other one, the MBR. So okay, so once you get to this part right here, you're gonna be pissed and you're gonna be confused. So now the steps you have to do. The steps you have to do now, you hit OK. So you gotta basically change this. It can't be GPT. It cannot be. So you have to change it to MBR. So okay, in order to do that, you gotta get into your common prompt. So I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. So you're gonna take this out. You're gonna cancel it out, and you're gonna hit here, repair your computer. Once you hit repair your computer, you hit troubleshoot, and you go into your common. Okay, guys. So once you click on your common prompt, you will see this. So then from there, you will put disk part. This part will come up right there, as you can see. From there, you will put list disk. Okay, now it will come up any hard drive you have in your laptop or your computer. You can see right there. And then from there, you want to select disk 0. So you put select disk. I want to select 0. Okay, so now it says disk 0 is now selected. So now you want to clean it. You type in clean. Okay, so it says that the disk is clean. And finally, you want to convert MBR. And there you go. It is completely converted. So now you hit exit. It will jump to this, and you hit exit again, and it will exit. So now I will reboot the system. Turn it off, turn it back on. So now it's going to go through the whole process of reading the USB. It's a little tough now with the USB installation, but hey, it's possible. You should not get that error message anymore installing your Windows. So I'm going to show you guys, and that will be it for this video. Okay, it's coming, it's going, it's going. Okay, so you get here, do the same thing like before, hit next, hit install. Okay, hit accept. Now you're gonna hit custom. So now you can see only one comes out, and that is my SSD drive. I will hit new, hit apply, okay. So now it's gonna create a file. You can see right there. So now I leave it clicked on here and I hit next, and you can see Windows is now installing. So if you have that issue, this is how to do it. These are the steps. Thanks.